What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Atmos. So I want to go ahead and dig back into this paperwork, these 89 pages. So what I'm going to do is I've already coordinated it with Diva the Divine Light, my sister, and she is going to read from pages 76 all the way through 89, and I'm going to read 66 through 76 at about 10 pages, okay? Just to kind of pick up where we left off last time, all right? Hopefully everybody is blessed and having a good day, but let's go ahead and dig into this paperwork so we can know exactly what is going on with this crazy case. So as y'all already know, today that camp came out with a letter that they wrote to the judge, pretty much asking that they are able to postpone the trial. I'll read it for y'all. It came out today on July 5th. This was from their attorney. The attorney's office is Alo Kanik. That's the name of the attorney's office. So it says here in the letter, as you see, United States versus Robert Kelly. It says here, Dear Judge Donnelly, we write to request a delay in the commencement of Robert Kelly's trial. While he is anxious to move forward and address the charges against him, it is my considered view that given my limited access to him, as well as circumstances of his detention, I simply do not have enough time to adequately meet with him and also digest the massive discovery. We were retained to join Mr. Kelly's defense team on June 21st, 2021. On June 21st, 2021, Mr. Kelly was transferred from Chicago to the MDC in Brooklyn, New York. He arrived at the MDC facility on 6/22/2001. He was immediately placed in quarantine to adequately prepare to confront Robert Kelly's accusers. I must have access to Mr. Kelly. Now, given his quarantine status, it has not been possible. It has not been possible for us to meet. Robert will be in quarantine for 14 days from the date of his arrival at the MDC Brooklyn. Moreover, when he is out of quarantine, MDC has very limited conference rooms for us to meet. If a room is not available, then we must meet at a table along with other attorneys and their respective clients. The nature of the evidence here does not lend itself to open, frank discussions in such an environment, because before agreeing to joining Mr. Kelly's defense team, I was aware of the trial date, although I thought that it would take a Herculean effort to get caught up to speed. I thought it would be possible to do so. However, with Mr. Kelly not being available and the limited access that would be available to effectively meet with him, we would not have enough time to have meaningful preparation for the August 9th trial. Here's a second page. All right. Hold on. It's page 2. That is not what I wanted. Hold on. Let me go back in here and download this. Y'all give me one moment. Let me get this second page for y'all. Right here. This page. I want you to save it as page 2. Save. Go out of here. Go out of here. Come back in here. Pull it up. Page 2. Where are you? There you go. So I'm pulling you up. Right here. Open. I'm going to read this to y'all. For some reason, it will not allow me to actually open it up. Let me see here. Page 2 of 2. Okay, so page 2, y'all, it says that the charges here are serious. The consequences are dire. Mr. Kelly not only has a right to an attorney of his choosing, but also the right to effective and meaningful representation. The aforementioned circumstances deny him those rights. Therefore, we respectfully request an adjournment of the trial date so that he can adequately prepare and assist in his defense. My request is not by means of dilatory tactic. As I mentioned previously, Robert is anxious to have his day in court. However, not at the expense of his Sixth Amendment rights. In the interest and fair play, Robert Kelly respectfully requests that his trial date be postponed. Thank you in advance for your consideration. Respectfully submitted, Devereaux L. Canick, which is the attorney who signed off on this letter. That's the only one I see on here. I do not see, Ms. Becker or Leonard or Greenberg or any of them on this here. So that just kind of lets y'all know that this new attorney he has is doing what he guess he needs to do. Okay, so I'm going to end this video. So those of you who did not get a chance to hear the recording or get a chance to hear it when I read it on the live, you have an opportunity to now hear it without any interruptions from any buffering or anything like that. Ecom's been having some crazy issues over the last couple of days, not just by my channel, but other people's channels also. So y'all check out this video, and if you want to leave a comment at the bottom, then feel free to do that. I am also, after this video, I'm going to go ahead and read the rest of the paperwork from 66 to 66 to 76. Okay? All right, y'all. Love y'all. Talk to y'all later. Peace.